Show you how to install a Proclip mount in a 2021 F56 Mini. This should work on everything from 2016 to 2021, and I happen to be using the non-adjustable mount for the Proclip iPhone X, but they make it for everything, including adjustables for pretty much everything with and without a case. So in the bag comes your instructions on how to install the tool. I've done this before, so I'm not going to reference the instructions, but you should read these. It comes with an alcohol prep pad to go over the spaces where the wipes they need to be, and it comes with a spooger tool. I didn't really need the spooger tool for mine, but maybe you do. If not, it's a great piece to keep and have. All right. Each phone mount comes with an instruction sheet also. Like I said, this one's fixed, so the only real adjustment you need to use is in the center. If you had an adjustable, you would use these two outer screws to adjust it. And basically, you want to prep the surfaces from any oils or anything like that. Okay. Next, you want to line it up roughly where it's going to go. Start with your back, because that's going to grab the edge of this vent right here. So what you want to do is get it lined up with that. Don't put it on it yet, but get it lined up with that. Come around to what's going to be the front. So you want to line it up. It's going to go about like so. And if you just push it firmly, well, normally that didn't work out. I planned. Okay, push it firmly. It'll grab hold. And now you need to add front part that holds the phone. Comes with the 4 screws for that. And you're going to need a small Phillips head for it. I don't know if this kit's going to handle it, but we're going to give it a try. Because you have to reach down in here and take in the center ball there. You have to reach down in with a Phillips head and take it apart. Put your finger on the back to make sure you don't lose any parts. Disconnect this until you feel the screw let go. And take it apart. Don't lose your screw and your ball. So set that down like this. Open your bag with your 4 self-tapping screws. You want to figure out, do you want the phone a little higher or a little lower? That's up to you. I think I'm going to go with a little higher for me. Take your screws, put your first one in place, and they're pre-drilled for you, so just line the hole up into the pre-drilled hole. What I do is just start it a little bit, get your next one, up so you can see it. Line it up in the pre-drilled hole. Only just starting, still loose on each one. A moderate amount of torque. Then you take your mount itself, put it back on the phone. Start tightening it up. Don't get it all the way, so you can get the phone where you want it. So I think I want my phone out there. I'm wondering if I should have gone the lower. I think the lower is going to be better.
Yeah, I think so too.
I do too. So I think we're going to move it into the lower position. So now you get to see what both positions look like. Your kit so far. car. Put your ball back in, line it up. Now, upper is a little downside in the fact that I can see the mount when the phone's not in it. But the truth is, if I'm in the car, 9 times out of 10, the phone is in the mount because I like to be able to charge it and see. Okay, so I think, now again, I didn't tighten that ball all the way, so I can adjust the ball at the moment. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can see that with no problem. So my thing's playing some Fleetwood Mac. I definitely look like an old hippie now. And then you want to firm this up again. Don't kill it. You just want to make it so it's not falling down when you put your phone in it. There you go. And I routed my wire back behind the dash, so I didn't have to be here. It's not hard to do, but you can see my video on how to remove this centerpiece to install the gauge if you want to do that, and then route it here. It's not hard, it's not easy. I would call it a medium job. But other than that, that's how you put a Proclip mount in a F56, F57, F55 Mini Cooper. Part number, again, for the Mini Cooper, this is just for the mount. You have to buy, all their kits come in 2 pieces. You buy the mount for the car and you buy the mount for the phone. Average price about $35 to $40. Always search for a coupon code because there is always a coupon code. Okay, thank you for watching. Watch our other videos.